Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to today's live classes. Today we will discuss about electric fuse from the chapter electric current. We know that electric current heats up the objects through which it flows. Electric water heaters like bulbs and iron box are the few of the electric appliances that make use of the fact. However, it has its drawbacks also. For instance, if these appliances are overheated, then they may get damaged or even they may catch fire. In fact, not only these appliances, every appliance in our house is affected by the unwanted high electric currents. There is a limit to the amount of electric current that any device can withstand in our household circuits. If the current exceeds that limit, the components of the device heats up and this may even lead to the fire. So, is there any way to prevent that happening? There is a device which is used to prevent this, that is called electric fuse. Well, it comes in many shapes and sizes. So this is what a general fuse looks like. It has a fuse wire and it's connected to the two terminals which are made up of some metals. This wire is made up of zinc, copper, silver or aluminium. The rest of the fuses are basically made up of non-combustible materials and makes perfect sense too for the use. We should make sure that the device which is used to prevent fires is of the devices must not catch fires. Let's see how does it prevents household electrical appliances from catching fire. Well, this fuse is introduced in every circuit in our household. This is how the basic circuit would look like when you use a electric fuse. We have seen the simplified circuit in the before classes. So when the currents flows through the circuit, it heats up to the fuse wire, and when there is a heavy current in the circuit, the wire simply melts, resulting in the breaking of the circuit. When the circuit breaks and the current does not flows through the appliances. So this is how an electric fuse functions. It is very simple to operate, but there is one disadvantage of this electric fuse that we have to keep in mind. Once the fuse wire melts, it cannot reform and rearrange itself. We have to replace the fuse with the new one manually always. To overcome this problem, automatic fuses are used nowadays in the circuits. We are also called them as miniature circuit breakers, and they are abbreviated as MCB. They work like an automatic switches. Whenever there is an excess amount of current flows in the circuit, they automatically switch off. So this breaks the circuit and the appliances are safe from the excess of the currents. They also automatically get switched on when the flow is come to the normal.